again, Hot Rod Customs. Hey, what I'm standing in front of here is commonly called a pipe anvil. And it's a tool that you can make pretty easily. And Gene Winfield is credited with the design of this particular tool. And what it's really made for is to create patch panels, metal panels. You can bend any configuration curve that you want on it. I have a piece of 18 gauge here, and I'll just give you a quick demonstration. So what you do is you put the metal in and you just bend it, and it creates a curve. And so you can do it in lots of different ways. There's a lot of ways that you want a tighter curve, you go to the smaller diameter. It's a tighter curve, like this. You want to curve it out the other way, you come down here and you bring it up like this. So if you're making repair panels or you're doing any sheet metal work, this really is a handy tool that you can make yourself. And all it requires is some used pipe that you can buy anywhere that you can find, and you just kind of weld it together, and you have a tool that you can use every day.
Birdman Hot Rod Custom.